Hi guys, welcome to my breakfast series. What do you do with your leftover food? Please don't throw it away. Today I'm going to start a breakfast series where I'm going to show different recipes of breakfast which we can make it with the things which are at home, very easy, very quick and very tasty. Of course, very healthy. So let's start today's recipe with a leftover dosa batter. Everybody has dosa batter at home. Sometime or the other, you'll find the batter is remaining very little. It's neither enough for a person, so you don't know what to do with that. So today we'll make use of that and make a very tasty and very nutritious breakfast. So let's start. So as I mentioned, today we are going to make our breakfast with some leftover dosa batter. I have exactly half a cup of dosa batter which was left from the butter yesterday which I used. So I'm going to put few ingredients from these and I'm going to make a beautiful, tasty and very healthy breakfast. So let's see what all we are going to add in that. I will add 1 tablespoon of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour or atta, 1 tablespoon of suji or rava. This is 1 tablespoon of ragi rava. If you don't have ragi rava, if you have ragi powder at home, that also will do. Even if you don't have any of either ragi flour or rava, just leave it. Now, after this, I will be putting 1 tablespoon of rice flour along with chopped green chilies, chopped tomatoes, chopped capsicum, grated carrot, curry leaves, grated ginger, and chopped coriander. Also, half teaspoon of jeera and your salt as per your taste. You can either use it or not, but this is what I do. I put half teaspoon of oil while I'm mixing all these things together. So once you put all these ingredients and make a nice pouring consistency batter, we can start making the dosas. Now, it is not necessary that you should put all these things. If you don't have any of these things, it's fine. You always have some besan at home. You always have some atta at home, suji at home, whatever is available. It is not necessary. All of these things has to be there. It all adds to the taste and it all adds to the healthy quotient of the breakfast. That's it. So let's put all these things together and make a nice batter. So this is the batter which is mixed and kept with all the ingredients which I have shown you just now. It should be of this consistency so it is easy to pour and spread on the frying pan. We'll be frying it now. My pan is already heated. I put little oil and just kept it heated. The pan is nicely hot and I put little oil in this. So let us put the batter now. Spread it evenly so that it gets cooked evenly everywhere. If you want, you can cover it and keep it for some time so that it gets cooked properly. Let's see whether our dosa is done or not. It's looking very nice. It's getting fried on one side properly. So what we can do is that we can put little oil on top of this so that we can turn it around and fry the other side. Oh wow, that's so good. Look at this. Look at this dosa. So colorful. Isn't it so tempting and inviting? Yes, turned it, and let's fry this to a crisp dosa so that the whole family can enjoy this. So your yummy, crispy, and very, very tasty dosas are ready. Well, now we can have it along with some homemade curd and homemade pickle. Isn't it looking yummy? This is not only looking yummy, it tastes very, very yummy. It's also loaded with lots of proteins, minerals, vitamins, and like I said, full of taste. So you can have this with a cup of hot coffee and you're sorted and you're ready to take on the world. Let's enjoy, let's cook, and let's feed our guest also with this. You can cut them into pieces like this, keep it along with some dip so that they can just dip it and use it as a snack too. When I said guest, it's not only for the guest, the whole family also can enjoy this. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and since it is a breakfast series which I am going to start, this is the first breakfast which I made. I hope you all like it and going to try it at home. Please do let me know whether you like it and how did you like it. All your comments should be put in the comment section. Also, please like and share with your family and friends. Subscribe for my channel if you are not done yet. Until I come with the next video, bye bye and thank you so much.